looking at me? Little bear. Mr. Bear.
We shouldn't do this outside.
Oh. Oh, he's smaller than what I thought.
Do you want to come close?
Yeah. Hi, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh my actual goodness. Oh my god.
We don't want him to run off.
You are so sweet, baby. Oh, they are so much smaller than I thought. Hi. Look at you, little one. Oh, are you meowing? Oh, you're hissing. We're hissing? We're too little for this. Hey, come here. You don't like the car, do you? Oh, it's okay. Hi. Are you hot? Oh, it's okay. It's a lot. It's a lot. Oh.
Oh,
you okay?
Honey, you're okay.
It's a lot. It's a lot. It's all right.
A little scared.
It's your first day out of your home. Poor baby. So little. You're so little. I'm gonna love you so much. I already do. He's like.
We're a little scared.
What's happening? He's like, I'd rather be busy somewhere. Is this normal?
Not at all. We've never.
I don't know what to do with that.
Well, we'll be fine. It's just, we're just scared. It's the first time.
Baby.
Because I need my blanket, that's why.
Poor baby. Okay. Oh, honey. Honey.